Craving pizza but don't have an oven? No worries. You can whip up a delicious homemade pizza using a stovetop. Gather your ingredients and let's get started on this simple yet satisfying culinary adventure. First, select your ready-made pizza base. Store-bought naan, pita, or even tortillas work perfectly. Lay your base on a flat surface and spread a generous layer of pizza sauce across the top, emulating a canvas ready for a masterpiece. Feel free to enhance the sauce with herbs like oregano or basil for added flavor. Next, sprinkle a thick layer of shredded cheese. Whether you choose mozzarella for its melty properties or a blend of provolone and cheddar for an extra kick, cheese is essential in creating that gooey goodness we all love. Let your imagination run wild as you add toppings of your choice. Vibrant peppers, savory mushrooms, or even spicy pepperoni. Each addition a burst of flavor. Once adorned with toppings, it's time to heat things up. Place a large skillet on the stove over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil to prevent sticking, ensuring a crispy base. Carefully slide your pizza onto the skillet, covering it with a tight-fitting lid. This allows heat to circulate, mimicking an oven environment and melting the cheese perfectly while the base crisps up. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, checking occasionally to ensure the underside doesn't burn. As it cooks, the aroma of melting cheese and savory toppings fills the air, tantalizing your senses. When the cheese is bubbly and golden, it's time to remove your pizza from the skillet. Let it cool for a moment, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Slice your creation into wedges and lay them out on a plate. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like basil or a touch of red pepper flakes can elevate the dish even further. Pair your homemade pizza with a light salad or garlic bread for a complete meal experience that's deliciously satisfying. Making ready-made pizza on the stovetop is not only easy, but also customizable. With just a bit of creativity and a few simple steps, you can enjoy a delightful pizza night right at home, without an oven. So gather your loved ones, serve up your delicious stovetop pizza, and dig in.